Huebner of Natural Transplants. I just wanted to update everyone a little bit about the exosome therapies that we provide here. So we've been doing exosomes at our clinic and exosome-based strategies in addition to hair transplants for a little over 2 years. My personal experience with hundreds of patients has been overwhelmingly positive. Now, exosomes may not work for every single person, just like anything in cosmetics or medicine. Everybody is wired differently, different genetic composition. Certain medications or treatments might work better for some people versus others. So I've seen some amazing results with exosomes. I've also seen people that have had some milder type of results with exosomes, but there's no doubt about that this will work. I've not had anybody have any adverse effects up to this point. So just wanted to kind of give everyone an update. This is not necessarily an FDA approved treatment at this point, and people are very, very well aware of that with our clinic. We educate everybody about the pluses and minuses of going through with any treatment. Just wanted to let everyone know and give them an update. If you'd like information about exosomes or about hair transplantation, please give us a call here at Natural Transplants, 844-327-4247, or visit us on naturaltransplants.com. Thanks so much. Hope to hear from you soon.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.